good, folks? Troy with Vtwins To V8s. Coming on, I'm going to start a little video blog on a restoration that I'm just starting. This is a 71 240Z. It's a little rough around the edges, but it won't be when it's done. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come on periodically and I'll show you the steps that I take and the progress that's made in the car. So today, basically, I got a shell here. It does have the engine and transmission in it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk the camera around the car so you can see what it kind of looks like. I'll take some still photos, and then I'm going to disassemble the car and start stripping it and getting it ready to, build back up, do all the necessary repairs, and get it painted and reassemble the car. So stay tuned for the blog. Okay, so here's our 71 240Z. I'm going to walk you around a little bit. Yeah, she's a little rough, but somebody started it and couldn't finish it, and I inherit more projects from people that don't finish them than I do to get a fresh project that nobody's ever touched. Actually, I don't think I've ever really done a car that nobody's ever touched, except for my own that I bought. But yeah, you can see, there's really no real interior to it. It's all crusty and rusty, just surface rust type of stuff. The engine is in it, and today's project is going to be to remove the hood and get this all disconnected, pop this engine out of here, and probably remove some of these body parts so that we can start doing some body work. So here we go. Okay, so we're progressing right along at this point. I've got the whole nose of the car off. I'm getting ready to remove the engine and transmission. I've removed all the connecting items, and I bagged and tagged everything. I actually use a P-Touch label maker. I can put a link in the description, and I use that to print all of my labels that go on all of my lines, all my wires and everything. It makes it legible, it makes it quicker, and they just stick to each other. I loop them around all the hoses and stuff, and it makes it very easy to see what it is, like you can see right here. I got one on there. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the engine hoist. We're going to remove this engine and transmission, and then we're just going to continue to work back, removing parts and pieces until we're down to basically a bare shell.